going on, guys? It's Mr. DS18. Today I'm going to talk about marine speakers. The new DS18 Hydro NXL-69 white and the Hydro NXL-69 black. The new 6x9 marine grade speakers by DS18. Check out this white speaker. Check out this black speaker. They're the same exact speaker, but different colors. I'm going to show you guys some specs about them, some cool features. Then I'm going to turn them on so you guys can listen to them. I'm going to light them up because they have RGB lights integrated into them. So let's start off with the white one. Check that bad boy out. Nice white sports grill. Has a 1-inch neo tweeter, titanium. It has this little grill that protects the tweeter just in case water splashes over them, you don't destroy them. Polypropylene cone with rubber surround, making it waterproof. Nice DS18 logo. As you can see, if you put this backwards, you can fit a nail clip and flip it over, and you can flip the logo over. Pretty cool, huh? DS18 way. Now let's flip it over so you guys can look at it. Nice plastic basket. You can feel how hard it is. Now you see the connectors. Nice connectors there. They're coated so you can get corroded. And then you can see the RGB connectors. You see the DS18 stacked. NXL-69 RGB 6x9 marine speaker. Now this is a 375 watts max power. This 125 watts RMS. This is a 4-ohm speaker, 1.4-inch voice coil. It has 92 dBs. Frequency response from 40 hertz all the way to 20 kilohertz. That's a pretty intensive mid. Now, you can see it has a black gasket seal type. So once you mount it, no water will be penetrated wherever it's mounted. Now the black one is identical, but it's a matte black. You can see it has a matte black finish. The same tweeter, the same cone, everything's the same. What changes is the color. Now, the same thing with the badge. You want to flip it over, you stick your nail, and you flip the badge over, and voila. Check out the tweeter, the suspension, you flip it over, nice DS18 basket, plastic. You can check out the DS18 stamp on the back, 6x9 marine, same exact power, same rating, same frequency response, nothing changes at all. Now, if you look at it, it also has the gasket around it, so it'll be completely sealed. So NXL-69 white, NXL-69 black. Now, the fun part. Let's connect them. Let's put some music on. Let's blast them. We're going to connect the white one. We're going to put the lights on, all 3 different colors. Then we're going to do the same with the black one. Enjoy, you guys. So, let's put in speaker power. Now on to the black one. Speaker power. Volume. And there you guys have it. The new Hydro NXL-69 white and the Hydro NXL-69 black. Links will be listed below. Drop a comment, drop a like, you know what to do. I'm Mr. DS18 and we like it loud.